Float Dirt Bike is marketed as a motorized inflatable watercraft that resembles a dirt bike, letting you ride across lakes, pools, and other calm waterways. The promotional videos make it look fast, powerful, and thrilling, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate recreational product category and can be a fun way to enjoy calm water. They're designed for leisure rather than high-performance riding. What it does well: unique riding experience. The dirt bike-inspired design offers a fun twist on traditional inflatable watercraft, portable and lightweight. Because it's inflatable, it's much easier to transport and store than a boat or jet ski, where the hype falls apart. It's not a real dirt bike on water. Despite the appearance, the speed, acceleration, and handling are nowhere near jet ski or other personal watercraft. Battery life is limited. Runtime depends on rider weight, speed, water conditions, and battery capacity. It's designed for calm water only. These products aren't intended for rough water, strong currents, or large waves. So, should you buy the Float Dirt Bike? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a fun novelty watercraft. If you want a unique way to relax on calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting high-speed thrills or extreme performance, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.